Hello viewers, welcome to JSM. In previous video, I have explained covalency of different elements in different compounds. So in this video, I am going to explain covalency of elements of S block elements, P block elements, and D block elements. That is maximum covalency of S block elements, P block elements, and D block elements. Okay, let us start with the S block elements. First one is S block elements. S block elements. S block elements. For S block elements, maximum covalency. For S block elements, maximum covalency is a number of ns electrons. Number of ns electrons. Say for example, we know that in S block elements, how many groups are there? Two groups are there. First A group, second A group, that is alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. So first I am taking first A group elements. Say for example, sodium I am taking. We know that atomic number 11, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So what is the covalency of sodium? 1, that is ns1 electrons. Number of ns electrons. Say for example, potassium, atomic number 19, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. This is the outermost electronic configuration. So what is the covalency? Covalency 1. Okay. So now this is first A group elements. Second A group elements, that is alkaline earth metals. First I am taking magnesium. Okay. Atomic number 12, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Okay. So this is the outermost electronic configuration. What is the covalency? 2. Okay. So now another example, calcium, atomic number 20, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Outermost electronic configuration 4s2. So what is the covalency? Covalency 2. So this is for S block elements. Okay, what is the maximum covalency of S block? So number of ns electrons. So second one is P block elements. Second is what? P block elements. Okay, so for P block P block elements. So for P block elements, maximum covalency is number of ns electrons plus number of np electrons. Number of ns electrons plus number of np electron. So now this is the formula. By using this we are calculating maximum covalency of P block elements. Maximum covalency of P block elements. For example, carbon, atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So according to this formula, number of ns electrons plus number of np electrons. So this is outermost electronic configuration. How many electrons are there? 2 plus 2. That is 2 plus 2. So maximum covalency 4. Maximum covalency 4. So like that, next fifth group element, phosphorus I am taking. Phosphorus atomic number 15, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, 3s2, 3p3. So number of ns electrons plus number of np electrons, so that is outermost electronic configuration. So 2 plus 3, so maximum covalency 5. Maximum covalency 5. So in case of carbon it is 4, in case of phosphorus it is 5. So like this we are calculating p block elements maximum covalency of p block elements. Okay. So next, covalency, that is maximum covalency of d block elements. So d block elements, okay. So right, for d block elements, the formula of calculation of maximum covalency is number of, that is maximum covalency is number of ns electrons plus number of n minus 1d electrons. Okay, this is the formula of what? Maximum covalency of d block elements. Okay, number of ns electrons plus number of n minus 1d electrons. For example, manganese I am taking. Manganese atomic number is 25. General outermost electronic configuration is 3d5 4s2. Okay. So in case of d block element, same number of ns electrons plus number of n minus 1d electrons. So here it is what? Here it is the n minus 1d shell. Here it is what? 4s. So now here 5 plus 2. So what is the maximum covalency of manganese? So here maximum covalency of manganese is 7. Maximum covalency of manganese is 7. So here remember one thing. So whenever we are doing maximum covalency of d block elements, here for example same this is I am taking in case of manganese. This is 3d5 4s2. Okay. So total this is known as what? Total this is valence shell electronic configuration. What is that? This is known as what? Valence shell electronic configuration. Okay, no? So what about this only 4s2? This 4s2 is known as what? This 4s2 is outer electronic configuration. Okay, so this should be keep in mind. So because in case of d block elements, this 3d5, that is 3d and 4s energy levels, between these two energy levels energy gap is very less. So that's why these all 3d and 4s electrons are involving in the bond formation. But whenever they are asking questions, question may be like this: in manganese in manganese, maximum covalency of outer electronic configuration. Outer electronic configuration. So what is the maximum outer electronic configuration? So maximum outermost electronic configuration, that is what 2 only. But sometimes they are asking like this, what is the maximum covalency? Maximum covalency of valence shell electronic configuration of manganese. It will become 7 because Ns plus N2. Ns plus N2. Okay, this is the maximum covalency of manganese. For example, okay, and in example I am taking another one is what? Phosphorus I am taking electronic configuration, atomic number 15, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. This is the outermost electronic configuration. What is that? 3s2, 3p3. 3s2, 3p3. So now this is the outermost electronic configuration. Outermost electronic configuration. So now it is known as what? It is known as what? Valence shell electronic configuration. Valence shell electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Okay. It is also known as what? Outer electronic configuration. Outer electronic configuration. So this is the difference between, this is p block element, this is d block element. In case of d block elements like this, total this is known as what? Valence shell. This is only known as what? Outermost electronic configuration. Okay, so when we are doing questions, this is keep in mind what they are asking. Either they are asking outermost electronic configuration or total valence shell electronic configuration. Valence shell electronic configuration. In remaining for S block and P block, so it is both. It is also known as what? Valence shell electronic configuration, and it is also known as what? Outermost electronic configuration. So this is the maximum covalency of S, P and D block elements.